guys, I'm just going to give you an update on my soap room. So I have cleared off the table now and I'm getting ready for my next batch of soap. I'm going to be doing a burst of energy with, it's very citrus smelling, so there's oranges. If you guys ever wonder how I plan my soaps out, I did this nice little book and I have all these drawings and ideas of things I'd like to do in the future, and that's also how I plan my embeds ahead of time. I made some soap dough oranges, so this is going to be super cute. Hi everyone, this is Beth Boysen from Boysenberry Soaps, and today I'm very excited to get to make soap. I haven't made soap in a very long time. So basically this soap smells like orange. It's got some very zesty like citrus notes, definitely very energetic soap. So the colors I'm going to use today are I'm going to use 2 shades of orange and a yellow. And let's go ahead and get pouring. So I am going to take part in a contest in one of my groups. I have a supplier named Wicked Suds. He's a really awesome guy, and he has been doing challenges lately in his group. And so today's challenge is a drop swirl. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up and down my mold. Okay, and then we're going to switch to the next color, and I'm just going to go back and forth until I have used up all my soap. I have put some additives in the main batch. I put 5 teaspoons of sugar into the lye water, and then in the oils I put, I don't know, one of these scoops. I actually, it's all rubbed off. I don't know what it is. I'm pretty sure it's a 1/4 of a cup. So that's what is in that. Let's do the yellow. Last of the yellow. I'm dropping it from up high to try and get those last little drops to go into the mold. So I'm trying something different with my table here. I don't know if you guys have seen some of my past videos. What I normally did was I put down cardboard on my table to protect my table from soap making. Because I do use this table for other crafts sometimes, and so I just wanted to try something different. So far I have learned that this plastic is not heat resistant. Because my lye water sat on it for about 10-20 seconds before I realized that the plastic was getting soft. So that's not great. So the challenge is a drop swirl. Now I don't normally do a plain drop swirl. In fact, this soap I originally planned to have a hanger swirl in it. However, for the purpose of the challenge, I won't even do a chopstick swirl. So, but what I will do today is I'm going to swirl this top. And then the top of the soap, I am planning on having white piping. And then there will be mica drizzle on it. But anyway, okay, so I got those all scraped out. Let's do our little chopstick kind of swirly swirl on the top. This is actually a skewer, not a chopstick, but whatevs. And this part isn't even gonna show, but let's make it pretty anyway. This is practice for when I have plain top soaps, right? Let's make sure that that gets all the way to the edges there. It's all pretty on top. Oh, here it goes. Yay! All right, so we're spraying the top of this. That turned out really pretty. All right. So let's set this aside and get our piping. Okay, I'm back. Now, it has been about an hour since I made this, and it's finally got to like what I would think to be a marshmallow fluff consistency. I don't know why, that's the only word that's in my brain right now because it's white and it looks like marshmallow fluff. Okay, so next time, maybe, I don't know. I probably won't want to try this recipe again, but if I do, I will make the frosting and get it all set up before I do the loaf, and then that way there will be a lot less time than having to wait for it to set up. But normally what I do is I have the frosting actually comes out of the same recipe I'm using for the middle. So this is a completely different recipe. But I'm hoping that it's thick enough and that it'll give me like some nice texture on the ridges, etc., etc. All right, so I've got my piping bag here. Twist my top. That looks good. I don't know. I'm afraid that it's going to be too liquidy and all the little puffy edges that I wanted are not going to be on the soap. So, I'm going to go ahead and get started piping this. Whoa! Yeah, no, that's not thick enough. Ugh. Well, dang it. Let's see if I can, nope. I can do this. Oh, well. Yeah, I probably won't be wanting to use this recipe in the future. Which, I guess it works for Katie at Royalty Soaps, but not working out well for me. And there's a hole in my bag. Lovely. So much fun. Alright. Alright. So I'm ready to pipe out the rest of this mess. It doesn't look that bad. Let's make sure I get all of it out though. This is a good amount of piping for this size loaf. This is a 5-pound loaf, 1.5 pounds of piping. So that's good at least. I've got embeds, so that's not gonna look like that forever. So since I have 2 colors and 1 pipette, I have to do the lighter color first. So let's get that going. It's pretty. It's a pretty yellow. Oop, I'm running out. Okay. Let's see if I can, yeah, there we go. Okay. Let's get the orange on here now. Oh, so pretty. should have just let it set up longer. I was being impatient. This is going to take some work to clean up. Okay. Get some more drips on this side. Okay. All right. So hopefully I'll be able to wash out this pipette without ruining it. All right, and here we go to the last step. I have these super cute orange embeds that I made out of soap dough. I was saving them as a surprise for the end. I think they're super cute. So let's go ahead and get these all on. I have my ruler here. So I'm just gonna set these over here. Oh yeah, and I was gonna do the glitter before I put on the oranges as well. So let me put on some glitter. I always forget the glitter. Once again, this is iridescent glitter from Wicked Suds. So there's a bunch of different methods out there for putting glitter onto their soap and different things, and I guess I'm old school because I just like this salt shaker the best. That's what I use the most. Okay, so let's start right here and put the embeds on 1 inch apart. So 1. Hopefully this won't look too bad. Oh, that's a big one. This is 5-pound loaf, so it should make 17 bars. So that's how I have my 5-pound loaf set up. And they should be all pretty much the same weight. I think I've gotten a little bit better at that as well. How did I end up with extras? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What? Okay. I give up. Alright, so hopefully I can bring you guys back tomorrow for the cut. Let me give you a close-up. Oh, it turned out great. We'll see how it looks tomorrow. All right. Oh my gosh, these turned out gorgeous, and it smells so good. So good. Anyway, if you guys like my videos, you can subscribe to me. You can leave a comment down below to tell me how you like it, and give my video a like. Anyway, this is Beth Boysen from Boysenberry Soaps saying see you guys next time.